Hi everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line of the graph of f of x at a given point, and our given point is 4, 5. We're going to take the derivative f prime of x by taking the limit process as x approaches 0. So everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put x plus delta x. So that's this part, plus 4 over x plus delta x. So I took care of that part. And then I'm going to subtract the whole function. So the whole function is x plus 4 over x. And if you want to clean this up, I'm going to go ahead and subtract this out. So that would be minus x, and that would be minus as well, because you have to distribute the negative. All right. Now, we've got to get the common denominator. And first of all, this is also over delta x. Okay. So our common denominator, if you put everything under 1 here, is your LCD. It's going to be x times x plus delta x. So what I'm going to do is just multiply this whole thing, by my common denominator. By keeping the common denominator, so that's going to be the limit as delta x approaches 0, and then you're just going to multiply all this out. So you have, I'm going to take this part, multiply it by this. So we have x times x plus delta x times this. All right, and the next piece is going to be just 4x, because this part would have canceled out with that. And then you have minus x, and x times x is just x squared, and that's going to be times x plus delta x. And then minus 4 times x plus delta x. And I'm running out of room here a little bit, but the x's cancel there for this last piece here. All right, now, this is all over now. If I multiply the numerator by this, I also have to multiply the denominator, so we have delta x times x plus delta x times my x, this x here. All right, now let's clean up the numerator, and we're going to get the limit. I'm going to scoot over a little bit. You're going to get x cubed plus 2x squared times delta x plus x times delta x squared. I'm foiling this out. All right. And then we have minus x cubed minus x squared delta x. Then we have minus 4 delta x. Because these two here cancel out. So do you see this minus 4x here? That cancels out with that 4x. So I just went ahead and did that right away, just to save space. And then we still have our x, delta x, times x plus delta x times x. All right, next, we can clean it up some more, and we get the limit as delta x approaches 0, and we're left with x squared plus x times delta x minus 4, because I canceled out my delta x's. So I'm left with just x times x plus delta x. And basically what I did is I took this delta x here and canceled out everywhere there was a delta x here. And then there was 1 left here. All right. well, that would have just been 1 right there. All right, and then I just cleaned it up. Now, what we're going to do is plug in 0. So when you plug in 0, you're going to get x squared, and that will go away, minus 4. And then if you plug in 0 here, you're just going to get x times x, which is x squared. All right? And you can also write this, if you write this as x squared over x squared minus 4 over x squared, that's going to be 1 minus 4x squared, if you want to do it that way. Now, our point is 4, 5. So we're going to plug in the 4 into this x here. So what you're going to get is 1 minus 4 over 16. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 16 over 16, because that would be 1, which equals 12 over 16. And reduce that, that's 3/4. So that's your slope. So if your slope is going to be 3/4, and then I'm going to write y equals mx plus b, and we're at our given point is 4, 5, and we have y equals 3/4 x plus b. Plug in your x and y to get 5 equals 3 over 4 times 4 plus b. These two cancel, so b clearly is 2. So the slope of the tangent line is y equals 3/4 x plus 2, my b. b equals 2. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.